In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arcane Lineage on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and access Arcane Lineage on any mobile device. You will be able to do this on Roblox for Android or iOS. All that you have to do is open Roblox and using the search function, look for the experience. If you have played previously on other platforms, such as PC or consoles, your progress will be transferred over. And once you find Arcane Lineage, you will be able to go ahead and join. You can confirm that it is the official one because it has more than 50 million visits and almost 80% likes. So just go ahead and tap the green button to join on any mobile device that you want to play on. You will see the loading screen and eventually you will load into the experience. Now keep in mind that while you can join and play Arcane Lineage on mobile, some actions might be limited. The game is focused on being played on a desktop PC, and because of this, you might encounter some incompatibilities. But for the most part, you will still be able to do a lot of actions in game. So as you can see, you can open your inventory by using this icon at the right side. You can still meditate. You will be able to dash and sprint. So everything is available, but it might be a little bit more finicky and it might take some getting used to. You will be able to get quests here and interact with the NPCs, so you just have to tap on your screen instead. So you will still be able to play through the entirety of Arcane Lineage, you just have to get used to the different controls. You can still accept guild requests, walk around, explore the world, open your inventory, manage your items, and so on. It is simple to do, but if you are used to playing only on a PC or even a console, it might take some getting used to. You can bind these items to a key, and you will be able to use them as you would on PC or any other platform. You can see your skills, your equipment, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arcane Lineage on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.